In this tutorial, I will explain how the Explorer works. Start off by going to the Explorer tab. Here, you see a search bar where you can enter an address or transaction hash. Paste the address you wish to explore and then press enter or search. You can then see the transaction count and balance of the address. Below that, you see a list of all transactions made with this address. In the list, you can see the time and date of the transaction, the number of confirmations, number of inputs and outputs, as well as the amount sent. You can press the transaction ID of a specific transaction in the list in order to see further transaction details. Here you can see all the input addresses and output addresses used in the transaction. By pressing the back arrow next to the search bar, you can see the previous information shown in the Explorer. If you have the transaction ID copied to your clipboard, you can simply paste it to go directly to the transaction instead of going via the addresses.